ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಗಳಿಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಕರಿಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಡು ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಶಿಪ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ. ಸಂಬಂಧ ಈಸ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಶಿಪ್, ಸಂಬಂಧಿಕರು ಈಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ಸ್, or Nentaru is also relative. Sambandhikaru Athava or Sambandhikaru or Nentaru is relatives. Sambandha is relationship. Here all the blues are male and all the pink, whichever written in pink, are females for easy understanding. You can also go by this video's description for quick and easy reference. Here in this video I will be explaining in detail. Starting with great grandfather. Great grandfather is called as muttajja. Great grandmother is called as Muthajji, where ajja is grandfather, ajja or taata is grandfather, muttajja is great grandfather, ajji is grandmother, Muthajji is great grandmother. Next is father and mother. Father is tande or appa. Mother is taayi or amma. So let's see father side of relationships or father side of relatives. So tande or appa is father. Next in father's family, father's elder brother and his wife and kids. Father's elder brother is Doddappa. Dodda is big or elder here. Appa is father. So father's elder brother is Doddappa and father's elder brother's wife, Doddappa's spouse, is Doddamma. Same, Amma is mother, Dodda is elder or big in Kannada. So Doddappa, elder brother, father's elder brother, and his wife is Doddamma, and their kids will be cousins. Uncle and aunt's kids will be cousins, wherein Doddappa and Doddamma's kids will be Anna, Tamma, Akka, Tangi, like sister and brothers. So Anna is elder brother, Tamma is younger brother, Akka is elder sister, Tangi is younger sister. So in English generally we call as just cousins. In Kannada it differs based on male, female, elder and younger. And next would be father's elder or younger sister, either of them. Father's sister is called as Sodara, atte. Sodara is brother. So Sodara atte and her spouse, father's sister's husband, will be Maava. Sodara atte and Maava, their kids, uncle and aunt's kids, will be Bava for cousin male, Attige is cousin female. So next is father's younger brother. Here elder brother is Doddappa, younger brother will be Chikkappa. Chikka is small, here younger, Chikkappa and Chikkamma. So Chikkappa and Chikkamma's kids again will be brother and sister, cousins. So elder is Anna, elder brother, younger brother is Tamma, elder sister is Akka, younger sister is Tangi. So here father's elder brother and younger brother kids will be your brother and sisters, Anna, Tamma, Akka, Tangi. Only change will happen is elder brother will be Doddappa, father's younger brother will be Chikkappa. Same applies to their spouse Doddamma and Chikkamma. Father's sisters will be Sodara atte and their spouse will be Maava, and their kids will be Maava and Attige. Next, coming to mother side of relationship or mother side of relatives. Mother is taayi or amma. Mother's elder or younger brother. Mother's brother will be Sodara Maava, where father's sister will be Sodara atte. Here mother's brother will be Sodara Maava. Sodara is again brother, Sodara Maava. Either elder or younger, both will be called as Sodara Maava, and his wife will be atte. And their kids will be same, like Bava and Attige. Bava is male cousin, Attige is female. Mother's elder sister will be Doddamma, and her spouse will be Doddappa, and younger sister will be Chikkamma, and her husband will be Chikkappa. So, elder sister Doddamma, spouse is Doddappa, younger sister will be Chikkamma, her spouse will be Chikkappa, and both cases their kids will be like brothers and sisters. Anna, elder brother, Tamma, younger brother, Akka, elder sister, Tangi is younger sister. So in father's side, elder brother, Doddappa, younger brother, Chikkappa. Mother side, elder sister will be Doddamma, younger sister will be Chikkamma. Father side, elder or younger, father's sister will be Sodaratte. Mother side, mother's brother will be Sodara Maava. Next, let's see your family. Basically, father, mother and your siblings and their spouses. Father is tande or appa, mother is taayi or amma. We have seen this. Next, brother is Sodara or Sahodara. So, this side all brothers related and this side is sisters related. I will be explaining. Male is Gandu in Kannada, female is Hennu. So, brother side, brother is Sodara or Sahodara. Sister is Sodari or Sahodari. Next, again in brothers, elder brother is Anna and his spouse will be Attige, Anna, Attige, and their kids will be Maga, Magalu. Maga is son, Magalu is daughter. And younger brother will be Tamma and his spouse will be Attige again. And basically their kids will be Maga and Magalu if you are a male. This will be Anna Attige, Tamma Attige again. And if you are female, then brother will be Anna anyway and his wife will be Attige and their kids will be Sodara Aliya. Sodara is brother. Aliya is in other way son-in-law as well. Sodara Aliya and Sodara Sose. If you are female, your brother's kids will be Sodara Aliya and Sodara Sose. If you are male, your elder brother's kids will be Maga, Magalu you can call. So, we have seen previously for mother side, mother's brother will be Sodara Maava. So, same way, here for the kids, your brothers, if you are female, your brothers, kids will call you as Sodara Atte. Such case, the kids will be Sodara Ali and Sodara Sose for you. If you are female, your younger brother will be Tamma and attige same as if you are male. Their kids, Tamma and Attige's kids will be same. Sodara Aliya and Sodara Sose. So if you are male, your brother, elder will be Anna, younger will be Tamma. Their kids will be Maga Magalu. If you are female, your elder brother will be Anna, Tamma, same as like male, but their kids will be Sodara Aliya or Sodara Sose. Now, if you are male, your sister, younger sister will be Tangi and her spouse will be Bava. Same as if you are female, your younger sister will be Tangi and her spouse will be Bava. Wherein, if you are male, Tangi and Bava's kids will be Sodara Aliya and Sodara Sose, because you will be Sodara Maava. You will be Sodara Maava for your sister's kids. So, they will be Sodara Aliya and Sodara Sose for you, same as elder sister. Elder sister is Akka and her spouse will be Bava, and their kids will be Sodara Aliya and Sodara Sose for you. Wherein if you are female, your younger sister will be Tangi and spouse will be Bava. Their kids will be Maga or Magalu. And if that is elder sister, then Akka, spouse will be Bava, kids will be Maga, Magalu. Next, about your spouse's family. Father-in-law is Maava, mother-in-law is Atte, husband is Ganda or Pati, wife will be Hendati or Patni. Son will be Maga, daughter will be Magalu, son-in-law will be Aliya, daughter-in-law will be Sose, grandson will be Mommaga, granddaughter will be Mommagalu, great-grandson will be Mari Mommaga, great-granddaughter will be Mari Mommagalu. Next, husband's brother will be Bava, or husband's younger brother will be Maiduna, and Bava's spouse will be Akka, or husband's brother's wife will be Akka or Varagitti, and wife's brother will be again Bava or Bamaida, also you can call Bamaida or Bava, and her spouse, his spouse will be Akka, and husband's sister will be Attige, husband's younger sister will be Nadini, and husband's sister's husband, brother-in-law will be Anna, wife's sister is again Attige, or wife's younger sister is Nadini, and wife's sister's husband, wife's brother-in-law basically, will be Anna, or you can call as Shadka as well. This is about your in-laws family or your spouse's family. Let's see few miscellaneous ones. Friend is called as Geleya if it is male, or Snehita, Geleya or Snehita for male, Gelati or Snehite for female, friend. Now great grandson, as I told earlier, Mari Mommaga, great granddaughter is Mari Mommagalu. Orphan is called Anatha for male, Anathe for female. Widow is called Vidhave, female. Vidura is for male. Husband's another wife is called as Savati. Stepfather is Malatande. Stepmother is Malatai. So these are the mainly used or generally in regular based used relationships or relatives. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like, share, also to subscribe to this channel. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಕ್, ಶೇರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.